In this video, we compare Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and DirtDetect Pro Vacuum. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and Mop is a revolutionary product offering automated cleaning solutions, including auto mop washing and hot air drying for a hassle-free cleaning experience. The dual spinning mops feature, operating at 200 RPM with consistent downward pressure, ensures that even the toughest of stains are effortlessly removed. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum has an intelligent auto mop lifting feature that transitions seamlessly between carpets and floors, ensuring a comprehensive cleaning without leaving any streaks. With a powerful 5,500 PA suction, this vacuum is capable of efficiently capturing dust and dirt across various surfaces, including hardwood floors, tiles, and carpets. The Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system ensures precision cleaning by expertly detecting and sidestepping potential hazards, while the PreciSense LiDAR Navigation creates precise 3D maps for custom cleaning. With a self-emptying feature and a 5-liter water tank that refills automatically, this vacuum provides up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning, making it a convenient and efficient cleaning solution. The DirtDetect Pro Vacuum is equipped with 3 deep cleaning technologies that effectively detect and remove hidden dirt on various floor types, including carpets and hard floors. Its unique never-stuck technology ensures it easily navigates around obstacles and across thresholds, making it a reliable cleaning companion that requires minimum supervision. Equipped with DirtDetect technology, the vacuum automatically increases suction when it senses hidden debris, ensuring an efficient and comprehensive cleaning experience. EdgeDetect technology ensures the vacuum effectively cleans corners and edges by bringing debris into its cleaning path, ensuring an all-round clean environment. The vacuum's advanced HEPA filtration and anti-allergen seal captures and traps up to 99.97% of dust and allergens, providing a cleaner and healthier environment. It also features an impressive 30-day dust and debris holding capacity, automatically emptying into its bagless base after each clean, making it highly convenient and cost-effective. When considering both the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum and the DirtDetect Pro Vacuum, one can observe that each product has distinct features that cater to different cleaning needs. The Roborock Q Revo Vacuum, with its advanced Reactive Tech Obstacle Avoidance system and PreciSense LiDAR Navigation, offers precision cleaning, making it an ideal choice for those who require comprehensive and accurate cleaning solutions. On the other hand, the DirtDetect Pro Vacuum is equipped with 3 deep cleaning technologies, including DirtDetect and EdgeDetect, which ensures a thorough cleaning experience, especially for those who prioritize edge cleaning and the detection of hidden debris. The DirtDetect Pro also boasts an impressive 30-day dust and debris holding capacity, which may appeal to consumers looking for a high-capacity vacuum. However, the Roborock Q Revo Vacuum offers a unique feature of auto mop washing and hot air drying, which may be a game changer for those who desire a truly automated cleaning experience. Both vacuums have substantial suction power, with the Roborock Q Revo having a 5,500 PAR suction. In conclusion, both vacuums offer unique features, and the choice between the two will largely depend on the specific cleaning needs and preferences of the consumer.